Hello viewers, welcome to PK Learning. Viewer, in this video we will discuss the important botany MCQs. Let's start it. And first question is: pith is absent in protostele, siphonostele, solenostele or dictyostele? And answer is A. Protostele. Pith is absent in protostele. A is correct option. And next question is: aflatoxins are produced by algae, fungi, bacteria or lichens? And answer is B. Fungi. Aflatoxins are produced by fungi. B is correct option. And next question is: fusiform root is present in turnip, radish, carrot or tomato? And answer is B. Radish. Fusiform root is present in radish. B is correct option. And next question is: Casparian strips are present in epidermis, cortex, hypodermis or endodermis? And answer is D. Endodermis. Casparian strips are present in endodermis. D is correct option. And next question is: how many nonsense codons are known? 61, 3, 5 or 31? And answer is B. 3. How many nonsense codons are known? 3. B is correct option. And next question is: Bentham and Hooker classified the seed plants into 212 families, 202 families, 222 families or 252 families? And answer is B. 202 families. Bentham and Hooker classified the seed plants into 202 families. B is correct option. And next question is: Chilgoza is the seed of Pinus geraldiana, Pinus mercosi, Pinus roxburghi or Pinus veliciana? And answer is A. Pinus geraldiana. Chilgoza is the seed of Pinus geraldiana. A is correct option. And next question is: frog spawn is a common name of Nemmelian, Batrachospermum, Porphyra or Polysiphonia? And answer is B. Batrachospermum. Frog spawn is a common name of Batrachospermum. B is correct option. And next question is: which RNA is short-lived? Ribosomal RNA, transfer RNA, messenger RNA or none of these? And answer is C. Messenger RNA. Which RNA is short-lived? Messenger RNA. C is correct option. And next question is: chloroplast fix carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen or hydrogen? And answer is A. Carbon dioxide. Chloroplast fix carbon dioxide. A is correct option. And next question is: anther culture is commonly used for the production of polyploid plants, diploid plants, haploid plants or none of these? And answer is C. Haploid plants. Anther culture is commonly used for the production of haploid plants. C is correct option. And next question is: insectivorous plants grow only in soils deficient in calcium, nitrogen, copper or phosphorus? And answer is B. Nitrogen. Insectivorous plants grow only in soils deficient in nitrogen. B is correct option. And next question is: placentation in Liliaceae is axial, marginal, parietal or basal? And answer is A. Axial. Placentation in Liliaceae is axial. A is correct option. And next question is: edible portion in coconut is mesocarp, endocarp, endosperm or embryo? And answer is C. Endosperm. Edible portion in coconut is endosperm. C is correct option. And next question is: angiosperms were evolved in Silurian period, Permian, Eocene or Jurassic period? And answer is D. Jurassic. Angiosperms were evolved in Jurassic period. D is correct option. Thank you viewer for watching this video. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.